Hey YouTube, in today's video, cryptocurrency XLM is giving away free money. I was doing this earlier, just snooping around, and I actually got free money from XLM. So we're going to be talking about this in today's video. Not only that, but it's looking like cryptos are looking like they're in a red graveyard right now. So we're going to touch upon that, take a look at the crypto heat map. If you're interested in that, we're going to have that up soon. Not only this, but we're going to talk about some altcoins that many people are casting light upon that could possibly be passing $1 very soon, and we don't exactly know where it might be going. There are a lot of speculations out there. So now I gotta say this, if you're new to the channel or passing by here for the first time, please be sure to drop a like and subscribe with the bell notification turned on all to be notified on all premium crypto and finance and stock market news. So now it's time to get into it. But as of right now, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the crypto heat map. So here we are. We're going to pull it up on screen for everybody to be able to see. And it's looking like all major altcoins are in the red. BTC, $18,274.78, down 2.79%. Red. ETH also red at $552.54. It did just change, but we're expecting it to be going down a little bit more. Everything is recorrecting. Everything looks like it's pulling back just as it should. It's extremely healthy for this to be happening. And this is something that people were anticipating. Gladly, it's nowhere near as bad as people thought. People thought we were just going to tap 19,000 or 20,000 with Bitcoin, and then we were going to plummet all the way down. But I'm thinking that we're going to stop somewhere in the 15 to 17,000 range. So we'll see what happens here. But of course, more upside to come. Hopefully, we're all optimistic of this. So next we have XRP down 4.4% or 4.04%. Trading at 0.61 cents. Next we have Chainlink at $13.55, down 10.61%. So as you guys can see here, we have Litecoin $78.76, down 9.01%. And then we have Bitcoin Cash at $302.69. And so we can pretty much see all of the cryptos are kind of just strengthening, powering back up, pulling down, and just trying to figure out where they can bounce off to the next takeoff. So what we're about to talk about is an article that I ran across that was published around September 10th. And this article pretty much just said that they claim that these are going to be the most 7 explosive cryptocurrencies to buy after Bitcoin's halving. And the name of the website is investorplace.com. And this website was spot on because they literally called it not too long after they actually got this big bull market. So they're saying here the third big Bitcoin halving happened in May, and according to our very own Matt McCall, whose ultimate crypto portfolio has averaged a jaw-dropping 40% gain in 2020 against the market that's flat year to date. So this guy's obviously doing well for himself. They're just trying to show that he has some credibility, and that's a huge reason to be bullish on cryptocurrencies in 2020. So Matt McCall, he says exactly to be bullish during this time, and he was right about it, obviously, because we can fast forward now and we can see that this guy was on target. So, but before we jump into understanding what the halving is, also referred to as the halving, which cryptocurrencies to buy for 2020, let's first understand why the cryptocurrencies as a broad asset class have a bright future. Everyone who watches my videos knows that I'm extremely bull when it comes to crypto. I'm very bullish, so I like this article, and I feel like it's an honor to be sharing it with you guys. So after this, let's just finish up this article. We're going to run across the 7 explosive cryptos that you need to be paying attention to. Yes, this is from September, but these cryptos are still on the watch list because we're expecting a lot more gains out of them, and you don't want to be left out on that. Even if you're not going to be investing, at least it's good to be in the know so that you can always be one step ahead. So through the blockchain, a decentralized public ledger of transactions that anyone can view is consistent across the whole network and is unable to be edited or updated unless the whole network agrees with the update. So this is what keeps everything balanced. Everyone needs to be able to come up with a decision, and it's something that has to be unified through the whole entire community. Cryptocurrencies are able to conduct and verify financial transactions without needing any central oversight. That may sound like a mouthful, it's not. The traditional currencies need a big bank to oversee and verify all transactions, whereas cryptocurrencies do not. And this is what the biggest perk about it is. This means they're less costly and more efficient than traditional currencies because there's no middleman to pay and no paperwork to fill out. Yes, they did. They undermined a whole bunch of processes that traditional banking is inclusive of, and they made the cryptocurrency world come to light and make things easier. It really should have been this way for a long time, and this is why there's so much positive momentum towards it, because ultimately this is our money and it is just making it easier to obtain, use, multiply, spend, whatever it is that you want to do with your own money, which respectively we should have always had from the beginning. In other words, Bitcoin halving have traditionally been exceptionally bullish catalysts for cryptocurrencies. And we already know this because as they happen every 4 years, we always see a spike following, and that makes complete sense. Prices are determined by supply and demand. If supply growth slows and demand growth doesn't, then prices should go up. And that's what we've been seeing. The third Bitcoin halving happening in May of 2020, this year, the number of Bitcoins unlocked for mining on one block fell from 12.5 Bitcoin to 6.25. Yes, this every time it cuts in half. Because of this happening, Bitcoin supply expected to rise by 2.5% in 2020. Well, it's actually done a lot more than that, but they were on target with the gains. So this is a little bit of information about why they're backing up these coins, and so here are the 7 coins that they have set. Bitcoin, which we know, Zcash, Ripple, basic attention token, the chain link, then we have SNX, and we have DX. So these are going to be the picks, the top 7 picks that are supposed to be moving parabolically. And so I don't necessarily know. I know Bitcoin is expected to highly. I know Ripple and I know Chainlink. I've heard of these, but the other ones I'm not entirely sure about. And of course, before making any type of investment decisions, you should definitely do the due diligence of looking into it and not make any decisions based on what I'm saying. I don't want to sway your decision. I just love finance. I love talking about it. I love dissecting it and getting other people's opinions and their viewpoints on it. Leave a comment in the comment section down below and let me know what you guys are thinking. So not too long ago, we've seen a big pullback within the cryptocurrency market as a whole, but that just means that it's gaining strength to propel even farther up. So hopefully this is the case. I know a lot of people are optimistic, including myself. And of course, if you're watching this video, you are too. We're all crypto bulls and we only want the best. Alright guys, so the last bit of the video that you've all been waiting for, how has XLM been giving away free money and how myself did I get free money from them? Because of course I wouldn't tell you guys that you can do something unless I've done it myself personally, so that I can at least tell you guys how to do it. Because if I didn't and I just listened to someone else and just took hearsay, then what type of person would I be? So I did this not too long ago. I was just actually scrolling around on Coinbase, looking around at Stellar, at XLM, and you know, XRP and whatnot, and I was playing around and just looking at the market cap area. So if you select XLM and you scroll down, you'll be able to see that it's going to offer you the option to watch a video. And if you watch this video, I don't remember how long it was. I know that it was between 30, it could have been 30 seconds to 2 minutes, somewhere around there. But basically what it was doing was it was just educating me on what XLM is. It's a short video. It's packed with information about what XLM is about, what they stand behind, and basically some good knowledge to have overall because they are in the global markets and it's good to know what their function is. So I watched this video. It really took not too much energy out of me, and then after that I was followed with some questions. So I answered, I think about actually I think it was 3 or 4 questions, and so every time I answered a question, they gave me an opportunity to win a prize. Obviously, it was the actual crypto, so every time I answered it right, they would give me a certain amount of crypto. And so I figured I should share this on the channel and let you guys get the opportunity to go get yourself some free money on XLM. And there's even more ways that I actually didn't do. They were telling me to invite more people, but there's not too many people that I don't know that don't already have Coinbase or any type of wallet for crypto. So I wasn't able to invite those other people to get some other money from XLM, but I still got a good amount, especially considering it was free and took less than 5 minutes of my time. So if you're interested, make sure to go ahead and check out on Coinbase XLM and just scroll around. Once you click on it, go ahead and take that quick questionnaire after your video and you'll get your free money immediately deposited to your wallet. It changes automatically. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's going to be the end of it. If you guys want to hear anything specific from me, if you guys want me to do research about something, hear my perspective about certain investments, different cryptos, different type of things in the stock market, let me know in the comment section down below. And other than that, as always, we'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Peace.